7-site skinfold measurement. For this test, you'll be using a skinfold caliper. Take all measurements on the right side of the body. The client's skin should be dry and lotion-free. For the tricep side, measure the distance from the acromion and the olecranon process and mark the halfway point with the X, in which a vertical fold should be taken 1 centimeter above the marked point and pinched right on the mark for 1 to 2 seconds and release. In the subscapular, have your client put their arm behind their back to be able to measure the subscapular region 1 to 2 centimeters below the inferior angle of the scapula. Obtain a diagonal fold at a 45-degree angle of 1 centimeter above the side and pinch right on the mark for 1 to 2 seconds and release. For the chest measure, 1/3 of the distance between the anterior axillary line and the nipple for women, and for men go 1/2 of the distance. Obtain a diagonal fold and obtain your reading and release. For the mid-axillary measurement, line at the level of the xiphoid process of the sternum border in the mid-axillary line. This measurement will be obtained in a vertical fold 1 centimeter above the marked point, pinch right on the X, and hold 1 to 2 seconds to obtain reading and release. For the abdominal side, measure 2 centimeters to the right of the umbilicus and mark your site. This measurement will be obtained in a vertical fold 1 centimeter above the marked point, pinch right on the X, hold for 1 to 2 seconds, obtain your reading, and release. In the superiliac, locate your client's hip bone and mark your X superior to that point. Obtain a diagonal fold 1 centimeter above the mark, pinch right on the X, hold for 1 to 2 seconds, obtain your reading, and release. For the thigh side, make sure your client's weight is shifted on their left leg, relaxing their right leg. Mark your X anterior midline of the thigh, midway between the proximal border of the patella and the inguinal crease. Obtain a vertical fold, record your reading, and release. The following are generalized skin fold equations to calculate percentage body fat for men and women. Make sure to take a minimum of 2 measurements at each side in a rotational order to allow time for the skin fold to regain its normal thickness. If duplicate measurements are not within 1 to 2 millimeters, retest this site.